So hi everyone. So today again we are just discussing about the string manipulation. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed some part of this. Today we can go the rest of the things what we have not discussed yesterday. So let's see the things. So start from operators, string operators. So they are having two operators. One is your concatenation, another one is the replication. For concatenation you are using plus, replication you are using star. Okay. So for concatenation, when you are adding two strings, joining two string, at that case you are going to use the concatenation operator. When you are repeating or replicating the string, you are going to use that star or asterisk operator. Okay. So you can see here A equal to Tom, B equal to Jerry, C equal to A plus B, then print C. So it will come like this, Tom, Jerry. Okay, this is the things how the concatenation operator is working. Then replication, you can see here bracket is missing, go. So 3 times go. Repetition of something. Then come to membership operator. So there is two membership operator, in and not in. So in and not in are used to check the presence of characters in any string. That particular character is present in the string or not. Suppose in Python, suppose one character set they have taken here, Python. In Python there is any A is there? No, that's why it is false. Java, in A is there? Yes, that's why it is true. Operators, P are in there? Yes, it is true. Main in membership, MEN is not there. Okay, so it is false. Man in manipulation, false. Pre not in presence. So pre is there. If we will write pre not in presence, it will coming what? False. It is not true. Acha, capital PRE. It is small PRE, it is capital PRE. That's it. That's why it is true. If it is written like this, small PRE, then it is false, because Python is case sensitive. Remember it. Python language is the case sensitive language. So if I write capital P and small p, it is different. Okay, it is different. That's why it is true. Clear my point? The membership operator in and not in is going to check, are used to check the presence of character, presence and absence of character in the particular string. Let's move to the next one, comparison operator. So for the comparison purpose, we are going to use equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, for this comparison purpose. So suppose we have taken one string 1, program string 2 Python, string 3 Python. String 1 equal to string 2, program equal to Python, false. String 1 not equal to string 2, yes. String 2 equal to Python, yes, correct. String 2 greater than string 3, how you know greater than? By checking the character ASCII value. By checking the ASCII value of this, counting it, you can know that it is less than or greater than. So string 2, it will start from small p, and string 3 start from capital P. So capital A ASCII value is 65, small a ASCII value is 97. According to that, you can check here P what is that, and based on this it will is going to evaluate it. String 3 is less than string 1, yes, because it is capital P, it is small p, so it should be less than, true. Clear my point? So characters you can see here, they have given the ASCII code A to Z 65 to 90, then small a to Z 97 to 122, 0 to 9 48 to 87. So based on this, comparison of string will be based on the ASCII code of the characters, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Based on this, they are going to evaluate which one is greater than, which one is less than, which one is equal to, which one is not equal to. Clear? Chalo. Then determining the ordinal or Unicode of a single character. Of a particular character, if you want to find out their ordinal value or Unicode. So, what is that ordinal value, what is that Unicode? So, Python allows to find out the ordinal position, what is the position of that particular character by using odd function, you can see here the odd function is there. So, what is the use of odd function? Odd function is going to evaluate the ordinal means value, ASCII particular ASCII value or ASCII or Unicode value. But char function will giving the particular character, find out the character based on the ordinal value. Based on the ordinal value, it is going to give the particular what character. Okay. So, this is 65, this is you can see 66, the output will be B. Clear my point now? How to determine? So, there is two function, one is odd function, one is char function. In odd function, they are going to evaluate the value of this particular character, and here they are finding out the character from this particular value. Then string slicing. So, what do you mean by slicing? So, as you know, slice means a part of the string, part of a particular string. One string we have taken, that we have known the indexing process. You can see it very clearly. Welcome they have written, and they have given you the both side of indexing. One is your forward indexing, another one is your backward indexing. So, forward indexing will start from 0, backward indexing will start from -1. So, when we slice means we can extract a part of a string. So, slicing is a process of extracting a part of a string. So, in previous chapters we already discussed that string character have their unique index position. They have the particular unique index position started from 0 to length -1 and -1 to minus length. If you go for forward, then it is 0 to length -1. Length means it will start from 1. Index means it will start from 0. Remember it always. Length always starts from 1. Index always starts from 0. So, it will be always move to length -1. Suppose it is length is 7, so 7 minus 1 6. So, you can see here in forward indexing it will move up to 6 or not. Backward indexing -1 to minus length, -1 to -7. Okay, that is the thing. Clear my point? So, from these we can extract from this welcome. We not need all the string at a time. We need some part of the string is called string slicing. So, how we can do string slicing? Let me see here. You can see here string 1 equal to wonderful. Then the starting index and ending index. When there is two parameter, suppose 0 and 6. In the first example, you can see here they are having 0. They are having 0 to 6. So, 0 is the starting one, 6 is the ending one. Start and stop. So, it will move up to stop -1. So, 6 minus 1 5. So, check the index position. W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, wonder will come out. Okay. So, like this it will be reflecting. Starting, ending. If there is no starting, then start from 0. By default starts from 0. Acha. If you start from -3 to -1, so it will what? It will the meaning, it will start from -3. -3 means here. Here it will be starting, and it will move to like this -1 backward. Backward indexing. Okay. So -3 to -1. So where is -3? L -1, U -2, -3. So it is -3 to -1 means it will stop at -2 before one step. So F and U. -3 to 0. So -3 to 0, it will not go to 0 automatically, because 0 is in the forward part and -3 is in the backward part. So there is no output. When there is nothing to show, if it is not possible, then there is no output. Then 0 to till last, and every time one character will be skipped. So every time they are taking the second character W, N, E, f l. Okay, at the step, if there is 3 parameter is there, if it is 2 parameter, then it is start and stop. If it is 3 parameter, start, stop, step, 3 parameter. Clear my point now? String 1 of 3 to 3. So 3 to 3 means nothing will come. 3 to 4 D. So like this it will be come. You can check it, okay, by yourself, so that you can know it how it is working based on the syntax, and always it remains this, you know that you will always move up to stop -1, start to stop -1. Okay. Interesting string slicing. For any index position n, string of n, this is, that means 0 to end, then string 1 of n to, that means starting from which one, end to last, will give you the original string. How you can see, check here. So this one will work, will give error, but string 1 of 10 will be give error. You can see here it will start from 0 to end, length -1, so it will also give backward. Okay, from this last to this side. So when we combinedly add this one, then output will be wonderful. Okay, clear my point now? If we add this forward and backward both, then it will be what? That one it will come. String slicing will never return error. Even if you pass index which is not in the string, they will not going to give error, but there should not be any kind of output. It is empty. There should not be any kind of output. Clear my point now? So the rest of the things we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay. So thank you. You can see some string slicing here, some programs about this, and other things we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.